আমি ইংরেজিতে খুব দুর্বল। I am very weak in English. I am very weak in English. তোমাকে দেখতে সে বাড়ি এসেছিল। He came home to see you. He came home to see you. তার বলার কিছু ছিল না। He had nothing to say. He had nothing to say. তাকে কাজটি করতে দাও। Let him do the work. Let him do the work. বিষয়টি অনেক কঠিন। The matter is very hard. The matter is very hard. শীঘ্রই তুমি চাকরি পেয়ে যাবে। You will get a job soon. You will get a job soon. আমি এই জন্য দুশ্চিন্তা করি না। I don't care for it. I don't care for it. আমি সহজেই বেরিয়ে আসতে পারিনি। I can't easily get out. I can't easily get out. সে কি বলে? What does he say? What does he say? তুমি যা বলেছ তা যেন সত্যি হয়। I hope what you have said come true. I hope what you have said come true. I really like this video, and to get more videos, please subscribe. And don't forget like and share this video. Thanks for watching.